What's up, guys? Welcome back to my kind of dirty house once again. It's not her fault. She actually cleans it. I don't. It's mainly that one over there and the other one that's in the other room. Anyways, I was just out at Lindgren Supercars in Maribel, Wisconsin, where I live. I live in Manitowoc, but Maribel's only a short drive down the road. And Carl Lindgren actually ordered me my CX Racing Turbo Kit, and we're going to unbox that today. And then afterwards, I'm going to take you downstairs, and I'm going to show you the transmission I picked up and how everything fits with that. So, let's get it. I'm going to sit on the floor again, because this is the most comfortable. But, oh, that's a pretty piece. So this is the turbo manifold. Some pretty nice welds cast. I like it. It's a T4 flanged V-bend for the wastegate, which is pretty nice. I know some other companies use like the crappy like 2-bolt or 4-bolt flanges, and this is nice V-bend. Makes it a lot easier for installation removal purposes of the wastegate, etc., etc. Looks like a pretty nice piece. We'll see how it goes on the engine, but expecting some good things. So here we've got the return oil line. This I'm probably gonna have to cut down, is probably way too long. They did also include in here, we've got the feed line, the oil feed line. We've got some AN fittings, -10 for the return. We've got a block off plug, I would assume, for the rear oil feed port that you will not be using. We've got the return bung for the bottom of the turbo. We've got one that goes down the oil pan. And yeah, it's basically a full bolt-on kit. You just kind of slap everything together and call it a day. But we'll see how all that goes when we actually get into doing so. These seem to be what I would think is the gaskets. Let's open this guy up. While I'm doing this, also, if you guys are local to me in Wisconsin or even within a couple hours, I know Carl also ships, but definitely check out Lindgren Supercars. Like I said, if you're not local, check them out online. I know they've got Facebook, and I'm assuming he has a website. I have yet to actually look because he's local to me. I usually just go there. But he gets really good deals on stuff, so definitely check him out if you're looking to do some stuff on your car. You can get just about anything you need. Yep, so here is the gasket for the intake, or for the exhaust manifold. Here's the gasket for the turbo itself. Dump tube.
You're dumb.
Thanks. Race car shit.
No. Dumbass.
Stuff, I mean. Race car stuff. Downpipe. There we go. Pretty nice. Stainless. It's got a flex pipe in there also. That's nice. It's got the factory O2 flange aftermarket for like a wideband or something like that, that's where I'm going to put my wideband. Nice. I dig it. V-band on both ends. This, I guess you could consider your mid pipe. Has another O2 flange here, which I probably won't use because I don't have a sensor that far back. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. And then this actually would mate, if you have an IS300 catback, this would go right to any IS300 catback. My exhaust is custom, so I'm probably going to have to get one of these flanges and weld it to my existing exhaust setup and then connect the two. Or what I might do also is buy a V-band, cut this 2-bolt flange off weld the V-band, and then just V-band it. We'll see what happens and how I feel when I actually go to installing all this stuff. Which, by the way, should be in the next probably 2 or 3 weeks. So expect a video of me installing all this, and I'm also doing my timing, valve seals, what else? Oh, and my trans swap. So, yeah, got our V-band here. One V-band, I'm assuming one goes from the down pipe to the mid pipe. I think this is the wastegate. Yep, wastegate. Huh. Kind of looks like a knockoff like tile or something of the sort. It doesn't look like one of the really cheap eBay ones, so that's good. According to CX Racing's website, this has an 8 PSI spring in it, and it doesn't come with any other springs, so let's hope this is actually 8 PSI and I don't like throw like 30 pounds of boost at my stock internal engine right now. But yeah, which is, like I said, also V-band, so that'll V-band right to the manifold, which is nice. And then as you can see, dump tube will go on there somehow. Oh, that's got to come off. That's an extra flange, I think, so that will replace that. Kind of nice. And then we've got the main piece, dogs. Oh, yeah, buddy. It's a turbo. It's like bigger than your head, dude. Come here, let's see.
No.
Come here.
No. Chicken.
Okay, so it doesn't look like there's any other V-bands in here, which kind of sucks. Which I think means I'm actually missing one, unfortunately. So yeah, I'll have to figure that out. But this is a GT35 dual ball bearing, single scroll. It's not twin scroll, as you can see, and it does have oil and coolant running through the turbo, and they did include the coolant lines, which is nice. So that means I can reuse the ones from the twins, and I can still run coolant through this and keep it nice and cool. That's about it. I'm gonna take you guys downstairs and show you the transmission I picked up. She's so dirty, dude. So dirty. Ugh. Not having a garage life sucks, boys. But, haha! Got our own 54 bell housing, AR5 transmission, JZX 110 shifter housing, which you saw in the last video. My W55 shift rod will go in here. Got the drift motion drive shaft adapter. And in here, oh, I know it's dark, I'm sorry. Got our action clutch disc. So yeah, that pretty much sums up everything. I've got some extra intercooler pipes in here because these are going to be needed for the single turbo stuff. Got my stock spindles. I have shortened 40 millimeter shortened front spindles on the car now. This is the shifter housing that came on the AR5, which, as you can see, is way too long. This housing puts your shifter right where it's supposed to be in the IS, so that's nice. What else? I think that's about it. On that note, thank you for watching this update. Lots of things about to happen on the car real soon, which I'm going to make videos for also. Can't wait to have that thing back on the road, running and driving, and it should be a good time. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Later.